What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fish Over Chicks Woodworking. My name is Peter, and today we've got 5 summer projects to show you. We're really excited about this one. Some of these are new that we haven't shown before, so let's just jump right into it. So the first one we're talking about is actually a project that we made not too long ago. We have a video on the channel if you want to learn how to make this, but it's a pot holder. As you see on the back here, we've got a hook that this thing just hooks onto, and then the plant holds there. This is a great project to have on your porch in the summer. It's a great thing to sell. You can sell these for anywhere from 30 to 50 bucks depending on what kind of market you're living in. But they're also a great gift to give to people in the summertime. Next, guys, we've got a birdhouse. I can't believe we've never made a birdhouse before, but this is a super easy, simple birdhouse that I found online. Basically, you've just got your 4 walls there and then a slanted top so all the stuff comes off it. But that birdhouse, great to make, super easy, awesome beginner project. I think we're gonna do a video on it soon. I believe this is a 1.5 inch hole, maybe 1 1/4 inch, I can't exactly remember. But we're gonna put this up in my yard, see if we can get some birds. The next one we have is a bottle opener. Great for summer, people having cold beers on those summer days. This is actually a state wall art piece that we made a while back. And I just drilled a couple holes in it, put a bottle cap opener in there, and there you go. Perfect for opening your bottles. That was gross. This had sawdust on it, dude. We'll leave the link to these bottle opener tab thingies in the description. We got them off Amazon. They're pretty cheap for a bunch of them. Next, we've got a wood-burnt American flag. I don't think I've ever actually shown this in a video. Maybe I have if I'm wrong. But this is one that I made quite a while ago, and it's just been sitting in my garage. But basically, super easy to make. Just ripped down from some 2x4s. Then I went ahead and I wood-burned all of these, obviously some way darker than the others. Stars, I actually took a stencil. I drew out each star with a stencil, and then I used my Dremel, and I cut out each individual star on these pieces that were already wood burned. So it took a long time to do. It's a super long process to make this project, but I really like it. I love the way it came out, and it's definitely worth the build time. This one is a great seller as well. If you make stuff to sell it, you can sell these for upwards of 100 bucks. I mean, people really love this stuff, especially on Facebook Marketplace in the summertime. What in the world is this? Well, let me tell you. This is actually something that one of my teachers a while ago said I should make. It's basically for golf. It's golf cornhole. So what we've got here is just a piece of plywood, and then we put some hinges on the back here so it can stand up. Then these holes that we've drilled here, you've got 2 smaller ones up there and then 1 bigger one down here. And in the back here, you've got these t-shirts. So this is just an old ratty painted t-shirt I had lying around. So I just cut it up into squares, stapled it all around the sides, and now they're little pockets. So when the ball goes in them, it just stays. Basically, you play this the exact way you play cornhole. You just play it with a pitching wedge, and you just try to get them in. So I believe how you play is if you hit the board with the ball, you get 1 point. If you get the ball in this pocket, you get 3 points. And if you get it in these pockets, it's 5 points. We're gonna go outside and give it a try, because I've never actually played it. Let's go. Well, guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Those are 5 projects to make this summer. Comment down below if you're gonna make any, if you have made any before. We'd love to hear from you guys, as always. Comment down below any videos you'd like us to make in the future. But please like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you in the next one. If you guys wanna watch more videos from us, you can click here, or here, or here, or here. I don't know. I have a broom in my hand, because I'm sweeping away the competition. Play is if you hit the board with the ball. It's so hard to do. Fine. That was gonna take some tries.